Thank you.
Thank you so much, the ICC team. I have two questions. First of all, I want to appreciate the milestone ICC has taken in the LRA insurgency. The last time I was in a similar workshop here, the issue then was bring out charges against Joseph KONY. And around that time, I couldn't picture exactly how it's going to be. But the progress is good. Except I have a question that, according to the paper, according to what you presented, KONY is charged with crime on 8 sites. Yeah. On 8 sites.
Yes.
Yeah. But to my understanding, I would wish that this charge for the rest of the sites away from.
I understand it looks strange when you first see it. On the Aboka girls, I share your concern, but we have a temporal limit to what we can do. Our temporal scope starts in 2002. I cannot go before that. But what I have done and what I hope will be allowed by the judges next year is to recognize these types of incidents in the history of the LRA as pattern evidence of their criminality. And definitely the abduction of the Aboka girls already features in our prepared presentation in that regard. I know it's not enough, but at least they will feature in our narrative to the world that happened. And that is they are one of the many incidents preluded as prior to our scope that we can charge. On the question of documents, what do you tell victims who want to sign up for participation? If you have a group, a person where you think based on our charges they could qualify, then the only thing I can advise is have them as clearly as possible state out their victimization. If possible, provide documentation of their age. Yeah? It is a case-by-case situation. Some may have been under 15, others may have been above 15. But for the charges against KONY and for being able to qualify as a victim, it doesn't matter so much. What matters is the accuracy of their documentation and what they say. But nobody should feel compelled to try to, make themselves seem under 15, because it doesn't matter for the charges. We have put in counts for children up to the age of 18, yeah? For the systematic who were abducted and enslaved, both boys and girls, yeah? So I wouldn't worry about that too much. When you interact, you just, it has to be as accurate as possible, so there's no risk that there will be a rejection. But no concerns there should be about the age of 15. Yeah? Last question, and then I'll pass on to the judges. Yes, there is overlap with the Ongwen case. And for me, it was never a question to leave those sites out, because in the hierarchy of the LRA, Ongwen was